this for such a long time. And not for nothing, girl, I'm with it. The problem is I've seen it. Got a couple different things on my mind, yeah. And it's about to get hard. I can see by what you got on that you enticing you for to get up in it. And there's nobody else. And I don't kiss and tell. I just wanna flip it and bounce it. Turn you around and hit it from the back just to see how you react. I want it fast and slow. Change the way you move. But you be on a missionary. You don't know how to let me change positions. Change positions. You just wanna see me from the front. I know that's what you want. So can we change positions?
Hey, Rockstar.
Now I'm not saying it ain't good. It's excellent, but it will turn you around so I can listen to the sound of your voice against the wall. Bouncing back at me in this horrid motion. Then on to the next thing. Gotta put the vibe